Okay, this is probably my final video for the Spanish lesson series because you're starting to get the hang of all these endings, and I'll show you towards the end of the videos of like how. So the first one we have here is Emma, ama, right, which translates to M or in English. So the first one we have tema, which means theme. Tema is theme. Programa, program, problema, sistema, you know those, right? So you can see how they're like M, right? The next one is ario or ria or rio. So those kind of ario, riarios, see? And they all translate to this airy, right? Airy, like a granary, that kind of stuff, right? An airy. Silabario, okay, silabario, syllabary, right? A syllable, like syllable structure, right? Silabario. Calendaria is like an eatery or a cafeteria, right? And a place where you go and eat eatery, you know. Ari again, that airy ending. Comisario is a commissary, right? A commissary where you can go buy your food and whatnot, right? So it's an airy ending again. These rioria, right? And for the last one of this one, I mean, it's really pretty much self-explanatory at this point. That's why I don't think I'm going to make any more of these, but I just really wanted to show y'all how these endings really do help with your vocabulary building, okay? Miscellaneous stuff, right? And this is how like these affixes, these Spanish affixes can tack on with each other. Internacional, right? Internacional. This one is a referencia, reference, right? Micrófono, these phones, right? The ending with the phones, like micrófono, alófono, allophone, microphone, telephone, those kind of things, right? Ado again, your centigrado, centigrade, right? Celsius, centigrado, Celsius, carácter, endings, some of those endings, carácter. Direccionalidad, right? Dirección al, idad, right? Directionality, right? Directionality. Comisionario, okay? Commission, ario, a commissionary, that airy ending again, right? Comisionario. Kilogramo, kilogram, right? Especially in those metric system, kilogram, right? But a lot of people say kilo to know that it's a kilogram. And we have conceptual, right? Conceptual, al ending, right? So it's again like when you start your reading and into literature and you come across these words, you can kind of understand how they're gonna interrelate with each other.